What's going on, everybody? Eric back here with Bodo's Training Academy. You guys, if you haven't already yet, please like this video, click that subscribe button. I post daily content on this YouTube channel, you guys, and I'm gonna explain you guys how to hold with confidence. You guys, holding positions with confidence will change the name of the game in your trading, and it's going to build your portfolios, especially to the ones that are working with smaller accounts. Guys, this is an opportunity to take $200 to $2,000, $500 to $5,000, $1,000 to $10,000, $10,000 to $100,000. Guys, we do it here right on this channel. So you guys, tune in to what I'm about to show you. The market is mooning right now. We are sustaining good progress right now in the stock market. As I'm speaking right now, we are up 92% on Amazon. Nvidia, we're up about 22%. And on Netflix, we're up about 42%. Guys, I'm gonna teach you exactly the concepts and the ways and how to hold your positions with pure confidence in this video. Now, how you're gonna approach the stock market is completely, it's a mental game. That's what it is. Guys, if you understand the mental game behind why you're holding your positions with pure confidence, you are going to make a ton of money. You are going to hold positions from being up 60% to down 20%, then coming back around and holding it for a 200-300% gain. You guys, this is how I play my game in the stock market. Not only that, but more importantly, how I approach this game is two ways, okay? I'll sell a lot of my position at points where I feel like I'm content, and I'll hold majority of it with my runners. I'm going to show you guys that on a few examples on some of these stocks. So, for example, we have ticker symbol Amazon right here, okay? Now, we got into Amazon around here, okay? Around this area. Once it broke this falling wedge formation pattern right here, we played Amazon calls. I knew Amazon was going to be on a bull run, and actually where we should have honestly gotten in was down here. I had full confirmations to get into Amazon calls right at the bottom, and same goes with Netflix. I screwed up on Netflix. I literally called Netflix calls in the Discord community around 175 to get in at 175, get into calls 175, which would have been like somewhere around this area. Yes, it dropped a little bit, but now it's like obviously mooning, going to the moon right now, and making a ton of profit. Nvidia's plan was to actually swing trade this going all the way up until Friday, you guys. I mean, yeah, crazy, right? Like, how do you hold positions for like 4 or 5 days? Because you're playing the market with confidence. You're understanding where the ultimate move is going to take you in the next 3 to 4 to 5 days. Now, of course, you can sell these as day trades. I did believe that Nvidia was at the bottom. This is where I marked my Fibonacci level lines. I don't know why on the phone this is a totally different level here, so I'm going to actually fix that. So yeah, I mean, you guys, like I said, this is the name of the game in playing with confidence and understanding why you're holding these positions. So we have a nice and golden Gulf candle right here on the daily forming. If Nvidia stays up, we have a price target of around 153. Of course, it's going to get rejected at 148.23. Guys, that's a psychological fib level right there. So of course, it's going to get rejected there, you guys. I mean, we have to understand the whys, right? The whys. And why are we holding through these positions? Why are we holding for a bigger gain in the end run? Because we want to make more money, right? We want to make that bigger percentage, which allows us to capitalize on our accounts. So building $500 to $5,000, $200 to $2,000, $1,000 to $10,000 to $100. These are the ways, you guys. These are the ultimate ways, but you got to approach the market with no emotions. That's first off and foremost. You got to approach it with no emotions, and you got to stick to the plan. About 7 out of 10 times you will win, okay? I win about 92% of the time. I know it sounds insane. I have one of the highest win accuracy, in the stock market as a scalp and day trader. You guys, 100% of the time that I get into a position, okay, just about almost 100. I don't want to say 100. I'll say about 99% of the time that I get into a scalp and day trade, okay, where I have the intentions of making 20 to 30%. We are up always 20 to 30% before the stock completely goes against us and we're down 10, 20%. You see what I'm saying? So you can get those scalp plays. If you want to be a scalper or day trader in the stock market, by all means, do so. You can do that using my strategy that legitimately I've taught in previous videos. But I'm going to teach you in this video on how to hold with pure confidence through the stock market. So if you have a plan of action, you are always going to stick with the plan unless there's a complete, turnaround and you have no idea where the market is moving into, you don't know what you're doing. Then you can tell yourself, okay, I've officially gotten out of my position where I've taken a stop loss. But there are so many indications, right, that Amazon, for just example, is going to see 114, 116. And of course, all over the medias, I have so many people doubting me. So many people calling me fraud, fake. Oh, Eric, you said this and then this happens. And it's like, dude, stick with the plan. If you stick with the plan, you're going to make money. If you don't, and all you do on the medias is, hate on people, you're never going to make any money. You're going to be a brokey the rest of your life because you have a brokey mentality, right? So, Amazon. Going back to Amazon. Why am I playing Amazon? Why am I playing with full confidence? Because, you guys, I literally even said this in my previous video, right? This is just recapping from my previous video into today. Amazon is on a bull run, right? It's approaching the level of 114.20. That's going to be the first price target where I'm going to start pulling more contracts off the table. Right now, I'm holding a half position, and I'm going to go and play Amazon with pure and full confidence into this, right? And when you're playing, like I said, a position, like you have a plan, right? You are going to hold your positions with confidence, maybe sell some, sell half of it, but you are never going to sell full position. Why are you never going to sell your full position? Because that allows you to not make the maximum amount of gains in the stock market, ideally, you guys. So you want to hold your full positions, or sorry, not full positions, but you want to hold runners is what I call them on the table. How to hold your runners and have them pay you out moolah, money, crazy gains when it comes to it. Guys, 2, 3, 4 days down the road. I mean, you guys, right now, Netflix, I can tell you, we're only hovering 12% right now on Netflix. And guess what? I'm still holding it. I was up 54% on Netflix. I'm still holding Netflix because I have a plan of action, right? I have a plan of action where entry and exits take place. But how you approach it is a completely different ballgame, right? The approach is what is going to make you consistently profitable in the stock market. So the approach on Amazon is having a game plan, understanding your levels, right? Your fib levels, understanding your patterns, understanding where are your levels on certain stocks like Nvidia. Why is it dropping right now? Why do I see a price target of 153 to 156? Because of certain levels that I want to see get taken out, right? How is the market going to be approached in this next upcoming week, right? Is the market going to present us an opportunity or is it not, right? And where is our stop losses going to be? Where are we going to take, our gains if it goes up to this certain amount? Guys, I'm building it out for you, right? If you understand the principles of the stock market, and I always say this, I always reiterate this in all my videos, you have to understand where you're putting your money into and why you're putting it on the line for those instances, right? So Nvidia, we're going to pull it up so we can see on the charts with my indicators, right? If you're holding with confidence, you're going to understand the whys, right? And you're going to answer your questions just about every single time. So the whys, why am I holding Nvidia, right? We have a potential opportunity where Nvidia can shoot up by Friday and we can make 400 or 500% on our positions, right? I'm currently holding on my small account and my large account where I'm going to capitalize a huge amount, right? We were up 54%. Now we're only up 14%, right? And again, I'm holding with confidence because of my plan of action of entry and exit. That is why I hold my positions. It's not because I'm a full degen and some of it, yeah, maybe it's like a gambling mentality, but at the end of the day, I'm holding it because I do have a plan of entry and exit, guys. And if I always sold out of my positions because I was just like so content with like 20, 30%, guys, I mean, you guys ought to have 100% accuracy. And I do with that. You know, I really do. I can pull out 20, 30% every single day. You know, but the principles come around. Why am I holding these positions with confidence to make 500%, 600%? It's like the difference between hitting odds on a sports bet from like, minus 200 making 50% to, having the odds be plus 500 on a parlay, or, hitting a crazy game, where it made you 500%. Ideally, right? And holding with confidence is having the indicators. Understanding these indicators is so important, you guys. And again, I'm not going to go into full depth in this video because that's why I have my courses and pre-recorded seminar videos. But holding the positions with confidence is understanding your patterns. Understanding your patterns and your fib levels. You guys, if you have your fib levels set perfectly and understand why you have them set to where you have them set, you are going to succeed ideally in the stock market. You will, because these are psychological numbers where they get tested at. I'm not saying every single one is, but where you see certain resistances, certain supports, where you understand why you're holding these positions up until that certain amount. So ideally, you guys, you want to succeed in the stock market, understand the confidence of what I'm showing you, right? Indicators will give you that extra tool of confidence to hold your positions. Not necessarily you should rely on, but necessarily to hold your positions, utilizing the S&P 500, you guys. You need to be able to utilize the S&P 500, because if you're just trading and you're just like, okay, well, I don't know where the movement of the market is going into, I mean, you guys, you're just asking yourself, for failure, honestly, in the stock market. Utilizing SPY. Understand why SPY is moving along with NVIDIA and Amazon and Tesla and all these other stocks and why they're moving, right? Understanding the movements, seeing patterns. Again, going back to patterns, reiterating this. It broke. Obviously, this, didn't break, but it's testing this wedge again, this channel wedge. So what do? As traders, we adapt, right? And do we know for sure that SPY is going to fill this gap again back up to the 390? No, we don't. There's a gap fill here. There's a gap fill to the 400s. And you guys, these certain patterns that you utilize in the stock market will make you a successful trader. I promise you. And always editing, your patterns, understanding why you're moving your patterns as time goes by. This will allow you to play the market with confidence. You don't want to just play a position and be like, okay, well, I got into this because of this indicator. No, if you rely your entries off indicators, you are setting yourself up for failure. Indicators are there for a tool to help utilize your positions and capitalize on them. But other than that, you guys, you shouldn't be relying your entries off indicators. Trust me. Price action. Price action is huge, right? King of the market. Understanding price action will help you capitalize on your positions. So, guys, if you have any questions, seriously, feel free to comment down below. That's number one. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. It really helps out the algorithm. I'm going to be pumping out content, you guys, just for you, so you guys can learn on how to become consistently profitable in the stock market, understanding how to hold your positions with confidence. And you guys, if you want to take your education up a notch, all you got to do is come and join the Discord community. I'm telling you, at first, yes, it's free. I do have a VIP section where there are paid members where they literally pay for their knowledge, but within about a couple weeks, you guys, of just understanding how I'm calling out my positions and what I'm actually teaching you, you'll be able to become a consistently profitable trader. I have no doubt in that. So again, if you want to take advantage of that, click that link down below. And you guys, I will see you in another video, baby. Peace.